He's gonna fly right to the thunderstorm. Oh, wow. Oh shit. It's raining on us.
That's only happened in California.
We're in a drought. We need it.
Everybody's all funny.
Shit. Oh shit. Sonia, save us. I know there's a rubber boat around here somewhere.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. What a weird fucking trip.
It's freaking pouring.
Oh shit. Big old fat drops of rain too.
Woo, pouring here at the flea market. Oh my god.
Huh? It's cold water. What a trip.
Oh shit. And my back's getting wet.
Come.
I'm just getting wet.
Huh?
We should have went underneath the bigger cart.
Well, but everybody's running. They're running like they're scared of water. We're in California. You should enjoy this. How much for that? How much for that? How much for that? How much for that?
You wanna go?
Huh? No, hold on. Oh shit, that's crazy.
Let's put their stuff away. They're like right away.
I know. Let's go. All right, Rob, let's go. Are we leaving? Everything's half price right now. Everything's half price. Oh, let's go. There we go. Yeah. Right before it started raining, I go, it'd be crazy if you